Let's move to the front of our chair and we'll just do some gentle chair twists to start here. So nice and carefully here, back and forth, just get a little bit of light, gentle warm up through our core here, seeing how our body's feeling. So we move back and forth. Let's go ahead and pause on each side, do a big pull, hold, other side, big pull. Take a breath. Good. Go ahead and make sure you have space to the side of your face now. And what we're going to do is just some gentle arm circles. We're going to do a few small ones just to start. Very nice. From there, slightly bigger. Very good. Now just a few big ones, as big as you can comfortably go, right? We're not trying to go into pain, but it's good to slightly get out of our comfort zone, whatever that looks like for us. And relax. Good. We'll move down into warming up our knees a little bit. So this next one's just an alternating leg extension. Really good for warming up the knees, warming up the legs. Use those a lot throughout the day. And the way I like to describe this one too, make sure we're squeezing really hard, trying to get that knee as straight as we can on both aspects. Good. Let's go ahead and relax for a second. I'm going to take a breath. We're going to do that same exact exercise now for speed, okay? So instead of really controlling the movement, it's really just going to be about moving your limbs as quickly as you can, okay? So 15 seconds, same concept, ready, set, go. We're going to kick back and forth. Do your best here. Just focus on a nice straight knee, control going down. Good. Keep breathing. 5 more seconds. And relax. Very nice, everyone. Take a big breath in. Relax, very nice. Let's warm up our lower back and core a little bit more. Legs are going to be spread apart. This is our reach to the ground. This one starts with a nice, easy, all the way down reach, touching the ground as low as we can. And then we're coming all the way up, big, far stretch to the sky with our entire body, trying to feel that length, getting pulled up to the sky. 5 of these in total. Down, reach, all the way up. Making sure we're breathing throughout this movement. Down, touch, and up. Big far reach. Beautiful. 2 more here, all the way down. Feel that stretch. Feel that body move. All the way up. Big far reach. Feel that pull. Stretch to the sky. Good. And relax. Excellent job. Let's warm up our hips a little bit more. We're going to do our alternating marches here, controlling that movement. Thinking about knee up as high as you can. You're going to really feel it in your core if you really drive that knee up as high as possible. Trying not to lean back, keeping a good erect torso with your spine back and forth. And relax. Very nice. Okay, next what we're going to do is a twisting punch. So this is going to warm up our arms and our core a little bit more. Hands are going to be in this position. We're then going to twist and really turn with our core all the way across our body, feeling that stretch with that arm on both directions. So this should be almost entirely full body. Should feel this through your core, straightening those arms as much as you can, getting as much length through that area as possible as we move back and forth. Nice and controlled. Good. And relax. Good. If you really straighten and really push yourself on those, it's going to be a lot harder. So really use intention. Okay, we're going to stick with the shoulder and arm movement. So go ahead and bring your hands behind your chair. This is what I call a chair press down. So we're going to be locking out our elbows and straightening our arms against the chair as hard as we possibly can. We're going to hold that for 15 seconds. So go ahead, lock yourself in. Ready, set, go. Push as hard as you can. You should just feel as much straighten as possible. You should feel like you're becoming a little bit of weightlessness out of your chair. Keep breathing. 5 more seconds here. And relax. Good. Take a breath from that position. Excellent job, everyone. Okay, we're going to do a few more warm-up drills, a few more strength things. The next warm-up drill we're going to do is just going to be a simple knee to chest. So you're going to grab either below or in front of your leg. Pull it up as far as you can, big far reach. We're going to add a few ankle rolls in this position just to get our entire body nice and warm. Go ahead and put that leg down, grab in front once again, pull up nice and hard, get a nice gentle ankle twirl here. Very nice, relax. Back down to our core, hands are gonna be to the side of our chair. We're gonna do our alternating tick-tock, so this works your obliques. Really make sure when you're doing this to sit up straight. You can make this a lot easier by bending forward. So we want to think about keeping our body basically straight, just moving side to side, tapping as far as we can down to the edge. I know it's kind of a far ways down there. Do your best here. And relax. Good. Okay, we're going to do the same concept of movement, except this time we're going to be reaching kind of forward. So it's going to work your lower back and your obliques at the same time, just a little bit of a different plane of motion, okay? So pick an imaginary spot just like you were doing to the side. You're going to be reaching forward and to the side, tapping, sitting up nice and tall. Other side, tapping, sitting up nice and tall, okay? Sorry, you don't have to put your arm out. I'm just doing that for demonstration. You can, though, if you want. Extra work, extra work. Down, sit up nice and tall. Down, sit up nice and tall. And that's a really important part, okay? We want to be opening and extending those hips at the top to make sure we're getting that full range of motion through our body. Touch, up, good. Touch, up. We'll do one more. Touch, and up. Very nice, very nice. Okay. From this position, what we will move into next is going to be a strengthening drill. And this is going to involve you grabbing below your leg on your hamstring. And this is one of our conflicting movement ones. So basically, your heel, you're going to imagine pushing it into the ground while your arm is up into place, okay? So you're pulling up on your leg, pushing down with your heel. 15 seconds again. Go ahead and lock your hand down below. And ready, set, go. We are pulling up on our leg while pushing down with our heel. Up with our leg, down with our heel. Breathe. Feel that resistance. Maybe a little shake. And relax. Good. Very nice, everyone. Take a big, big breath. Make sure you're feeling okay, getting that blood back in your head. Repeat on the other side. Anchor yourself down. Grab below that leg. 15 strong seconds again. Ready, set, go. Push down with that heel, pull up with your arms, hang on tight, feel those muscles work. Breathe for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Excellent job, everyone. All right, so our last drill in the seat here is just going to be another core exercise. Crescent moon pose, arms are going to be to the side of the chair. We're all going to collectively lean towards this side and then start with one arm up and over our head. We're going to hold this position for one big breath in, one big breath out. Feel that muscle. Now I want you to lean a little bit further. Challenge yourself here. Get a little bit more work. Take another big breath in and out. Very nice. Other side, same concept. Big far reach. Don't go too far at the start. Just kind of wheeze yourself into it. Take a breath. And here we go, a little bit further. Challenge that core, challenge that body. And up to the top.